To send money from France to Pakistan, you need to follow a series of steps. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate. You can use online currency converters to get the latest exchange rates. Next, choose a money transfer service that suits your needs. Popular options include banks, online money transfer services like PayPal, and specialized services like MoneyGram and Western Union. Each service has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times, so compare these before making a decision. Once you have chosen a service, gather the necessary information. This typically includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details if you are transferring to a bank account. If you are using a service like MoneyGram or Western Union, you will need to provide the recipient's name and location. Now, initiate the transfer. If you are using an online service, log into your account and enter the transfer details. If you are using a bank or physical location, provide the transfer details to the representative. Pay the transfer amount and any applicable fees. After initiating the transfer, track the status. Most services provide a tracking number or updates via email or text message. Inform the recipient of the transfer and provide them with any necessary details, such as a reference number. Finally, verify the transfer. Once the recipient has received the money, confirm with them that the transfer was successful. Keep a record of the transfer, including the amount sent, the exchange rate, and any fees paid. It is also important to consider security when sending money. Ensure you are using a reputable service and that you are providing accurate information to avoid any issues. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can securely and efficiently send money from France to Pakistan. Always review the terms and conditions of the service you choose and compare rates to get the best value for your money.